what Hip Hop for Change taught me that I didn't know before was all like different things about breaking, like the histories. I knew like MC, graffiti was like all parts of hip hop. I just never really knew the extent of how much part of hip hop it was and just really what it was in general. So
I really liked the part where Marlon was saying how it started, I think it was in 1973 in New York, and it was like hip hop was only a thing in New York for like a long time. And I think that was a really cool thing to hear, because when I think of hip hop, I think of like everyone knows it, and I never thought that it could only just start in just one place.
The coolest thing I learned from Hip Hop for Change Day was the fact that hip hop just started out as a party, because I've always kind of just treated hip hop like that. Like I show up, I dance, and I have fun. So just learning that that's exactly where it came from was kind of cool.
I think hip hop education is really important, especially for me because this isn't my culture specifically. So it's really important for me to know my history, my background, so I can truly appreciate the hip hop culture and all the things, different parts of it.
I get like a reminder of the humble beginnings, and also like it helps me like remind them or encourage them that like if this is you on your first day, you 12 years later it's gonna be amazing. I did not look like this on my first day. It's very important for breakers like me to like teach this dance, because like it's like alive but it's dying, you know? Like it started here in America, but it's not as prominent in America as it is per se like Japan. This dance can do a lot. It's very therapeutic, you know, we just mix it with the right things, have partnerships with the right people. I feel like there should be like, you know, chiropractor school for breakers or stuff like that, kinesiology degree for breakers, because like all these elements of like things that are possible careers they coincide with breaking. It's just a humbling thing, because sometimes in the culture, sometimes there's like, it's more take than give. So it's a humbling thing to like give, and then you give more, and then like it feels good because they're not just taking from you, like they're giving you like their joy. Like you can tell that like they're very happy that they're learning from you, you know.
This is actually our first time teaching in person in 2021, so we're really excited to be around other people and interact the way that hip hop as we know and love it should be. So to be with the students from Str8jacket and for us to have our hip hop educators here was really a heartwarming experience for me. Today was great. I think the students from Str8jacket were really enthusiastic about what we were going to bring to the table. Gideon is a master educator when it comes to breakdance and showing them the history, all the different nuanced moves. And I think that the students really enjoyed it. And it's something that they're already coming in learning and loving. So it makes the experience just so much more richer. I think it's vitally important to bring hip hop to the community and to students particularly, because young people are the ones who invented this culture that's now a worldwide phenomenon. So if we're empowering them with the knowledge that they can create out of literally nothing, to have a place to be safe, a place to be their authentic self, a place for them to express themselves and be supported, I think that changes the entire game, not only for this year, but generations to come. So you see it for yourself what we do. We bring peace, love, unity, and having fun into the hearts and minds of everybody we teach. Make sure you book Hip Hop for Change at your school today. Log on to our website, hiphopforchange.org, and find out more.